Hey guys, welcome back to Today Man. My name is Thomas, and if you guys are anything like me, you guys love and miss the show Game of Thrones. It's a great show up until season 8, in my opinion. We can talk about that later. But anyways, where I live, it's starting to get a little bit chilly, and I was thinking, what better way to transition from fire to ice, from heat to cold, than to style my hair like one of my favorite fictional characters, Jon Snow. We all know he had amazing hair, and we all know he absolutely loved his hair.
Go on, Tommy, shear him good. He's never met a girl he likes better than his own hair.
I've wanted to do this video for a while now, so here's my best attempt to turn this into this. So, if you guys are ready, I will meet you guys in the bathroom. Let me start off by saying that Jon Snow has long curly hair, so that probably is a prerequisite to trying this hairstyle. But I'm going to start off by using this curl shampoo conditioner from Bumble & Bumble to wash my hair because it's specifically made for curly hair, so it leaves it nice and soft enough to go ahead and brush it right after showering. You want to make sure that you are brushing your hair very gently because our hair is very fragile when it's wet and breaks and gets damaged a lot easier. It's okay that you see hair clumps being brushed out of your hair here and there, because I know some people freak out and they think they're balding and they think they're losing their hair, but it's actually completely normal to lose from 100 to 200 hairs every single day. It's crazy, right? Okay, so moving on. Once we're done brushing it, I like to moisten it up a little bit by adding some heat protectant. This heat protectant is called Heat Tamer by Tresemme. It's a very popular brand and can be found almost anywhere for pretty cheap. You're going to be using a blow dryer in a little bit, so it's important to make sure that we protect our hair from the heat that we're about to apply to it. Heat is very damaging to your hair, so don't use a blow dryer every single day. We then move on to applying a little bit of this curl cream. This curl cream is called Soothing Lotion and it's by this company, Curl Junkie. A friend actually put me up on this curl cream. It's really nice and does not feel very heavy on my hair, which is really cool. So I rub it in my hair and I make sure to really get it in there. I then scrunch up my hair some with this product and try to make the curls more popping, you know? Again, make sure you're doing it very gently because your hair is still wet at this point, so it's still very weak and fragile. Next product we're moving on to is some mousse from Tresemme again. The label literally says flawless curls, and we want to make sure that it holds throughout the entire day. I mean, it wouldn't be Jon Snow hair without the curls, right? Just a fun fact, did you guys know that the actor that played Jon Snow, Kit Harington, had to sign a contract for his hair? He had to style it the same way every single time they were filming. He wasn't allowed to cut it, and it had to be done all in a specific way. Like, I wish I had access to the actual process of him achieving that hairstyle, man. Like that would be so awesome. But anyways, now that the mousse is in my hair, it is time to diffuse it with a blow dryer. I think this is probably what makes or breaks the hairstyle because it will make your hair really stand out. Make sure you guys use the diffuser attachment and not just the regular blow dryer to go ahead and achieve better curls, which is part of this hairstyle. So continuing on, we diffuse it and we diffuse it to try to style it in the position that we wanted to go ahead and hold. While diffusing, we want to make sure to keep switching on and off between hot and cool settings on your blow dryer. This will help you firstly to not over dry your hair, but it also gives your hair a quick break from the heat, and the cool air helps to give your hair more definition and keep it in place. This last part right here is to style your hair. I feel like Jon parts his hair right about here, maybe at the eyebrow or so, like the arch or arc, whatever it's called. And I feel like from there he kind of separates it, and I mean, you just kind of like, you know, try to style it a little bit, and then you should be all good to go, I think. And guys, this is the final product. This is the best attempt that I could make at trying to imitate Jon Snow's hairstyle from Game of Thrones. I feel like something essential to that look is the beard, and that's something that I'm missing, and I just really can't do anything about that, unfortunately. Hopefully, you know, one day it'll come in. But let me know what you guys thought of the video. Leave comments, like the video if you liked it, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and leave any sort of suggestions that you guys might want me to do for future videos. But until then, stay beautiful people. Love you guys. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.